Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to charge your RAZER Blade 15. To charge it, you need to use the cable, the original cable that has this port for this laptop, and on the left side of your laptop there is this port right here which you can plug in your charger in, and it can be either orientation. So let me plug it in like that, for example. Now it's charging and I can unplug it and charge it the other way, and it also works. So that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.